topic is transformation of geometric shapes. Number 1. Cite 4 things that you significantly learned from the topic. Geometric shapes can be defined as figure or area closed by a boundary which is created by combining the specific amount of curves, points, and lines. Different geometric shapes are triangle, square, circle, and etc. But before we shift our focus to rather advanced and competitive mathematical concepts of geometry and algebra, it is important that we acquire the necessary understanding of the geometric shapes. Transformation is a process that manipulates a polygon or other 2D object on a plane or coordinate system. Pre-image or inverse image is the 2D object or 2D shape before any transformation, and the image is the figure after the transformations. There are 4 types of transformations: the translation, rotation, reflection, and scaling or dilation. When we say translation, the image is offset by a constant value from the pre-image or a slide. Reflection, the image is a mirrored pre-image or a flip. Rotation, the image is the pre-image rotated around the fixed point, or we can say a turn. And dilation or scaling is the image is larger or smaller version of the pre-image, and it is also called as shrinking or enlarging. The geometric design is very essential to our life. I can say that it is very essential to us because as a student, it gives opportunities, it provides opportunities to think better the other ways about the importance of this topic. Students or us must understand transformation geometry in order to perform analysis and synthesis, solve problems, and think spatially.
Give an illustration or example for each subtopic learned. Example is translation. Triangle ABC has coordinates A positive 3 and negative 1. B is positive 7 and negative 5, and C is negative 2 and negative 2. Translate ABC to the left 4 units and up 5 units. Determine the coordinates of A, B, and C. Graph triangle A, B, and C. To translate triangle A, B, and C. Subtract 4 from each x value and add 5 to each y value of its coordinates. Triangle A. Positive 3 and negative 1. 3 minus 4 and negative 1 plus 5 equals, the triangle A is negative 1 and positive 4, and B positive 7 and negative 5. Positive 7 minus 4 and negative 5 plus positive 4. The answer of triangle B is 3 and 0. And C, negative 2 and negative 2. Negative 2 minus 4 and negative 2 plus 5. The answer of triangle C is negative 6 and positive 3. The rule would by x and y, x minus 4 and y plus 5. And another example is the dilation, reflection, and rotation.
Number 3. Provide one real-life application problem for each identified subtopic. Example of real-life application problem about dilation is dilated cardiomyopathy. It is a disease of the heart when left ventricle, in most cases, stretches and thins. When you need to enlarge a picture from wallet size to wall hung size, you could use dilation.
Write a brief essay on the values and things you learned as cited in number 1. The values and things that we learned is geometrical design is a branch of computational geometry, and its fun trend that focuses on the simplistic beauty of mixing certain shapes, lines, and curves together for creative results. In architects, they use geometry to study and divide as well as draft detailed building plans. Transformation of geometric shapes can be different based on what type of transformation you will use. It has 4 types. Translation is a figure that can be slid in any direction. Reflection is a figure that can be flipped over a line. Rotation is a figure that can be turned around a point, while dilation is a figure that can be enlarged or reduced. Geometric transformations are needed to give an entity to the needed position, orientation, or shape starting from existing position. Geometric transformations involve taking from image and transformation it in some way to produce an image. The rigid transformation, which does not change the shape or size of image. The non-rigid transformation, which will change the size but not the shape of the image.